Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to add discount code in your Shopify checkout. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, make sure to log in to your Shopify. Once you're in this dashboard, you can see in the sidebar discounts, click it. Now from here you can manage the discounts and promotions. We just click create discount from here or from here. Just click it. For the type, we're going to select either free shipping or the amount of order or specific products. We're going to select amount of products. For the method, either you select discount code or automatic discount, so you can choose between them. I'm going to select automatic. For the title, for example, what's the event? For example, summer promotion. Select the percentage from here, for example, 20%. And the discount applies to which products. You can just select the products. You can play with the other options. And from here, you can select the date of the discount. You can set an end for the date. After that, the discount is no longer available, for example, for 1 month, and just click save discount. Now, if you go to the store, click on of the products. As you can see here, if you refresh, go to one of the products, select buy now or add to cart, go to checkout, and as you can see here, the discount is applied automatically. Click discount here if you set the method as manual, but we set it as automatic, so it applies automatically from here. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.